welcome to a new video. So, in this video, here I have a Samsung Galaxy A3 Duos. And I'm not smashing it, I'm actually gonna be repairing it. So, this doesn't have a display, but the phone itself does work. As you can see. But first, before I put in the display, which is right here, I'm actually going to be tearing it apart and unplugging and plugging back in the battery because I don't want it to explode in my face. I doubt that will happen, but I don't want to fry the new screen. But before we do that, let's see if the new screen arrived safely. So let's open this up. Alright, a lot of bubble wrap, that's good. This seems about right, and it seems good. Alright, I was worried about this. It does have the Samsung logo. I didn't want to have an awful I didn't want to have an awful screen without a logo. Alright, yeah, I'll put that right over there. I do have the button. And of course I forgot these. Alright, pop that out. Unplug the battery. Plug it back in. Alright, yeah, and the dock connector. I hope when I plug the new screen in, they will randomly start working. And if they don't, I honestly don't care. As long as the phone turns on and functions enough to be in my collection, I don't care. Alright, now let's test out the new display. Alright, don't damage it. Oh shoot. Alright, new display in, press the power button. Booting up. I'm worried that I don't have any adhesive. Of course, that cringy sound. I'm glad that oh wow. The buttons randomly started working. Alright, yeah. Alright. It does have the previous owner's data on it. Alright, but for now, let's turn it off. It's in Spanish too. Alright, now we know it works, which is all that matters, to be honest. Right, remove the display, set that down carefully. Now let's screw everything back in. Alright, now let's put the home button, align it properly so it's clicking right. Alright, now for some ASMR. Where's the is this supposed to be peeled? I don't want to mess up the new display because I know it's a hard OLED display. Okay. Alright, before I remove this front one, I'm gonna put it all back together. Alright. Make sure the buttons. Alright, I'll remove it. Oh yeah. Alright. Home button is not cooperating. Oh wait, is it upside down? Well, I'm gonna turn it on. Do you think it's upside down? Alright, booting up. Booted up. Fine. Oh my god, I can't get this to align properly. Alright, I'll troubleshoot it more outside of camera. But the important thing is that we got it back up and running. Alright, camera's working. And it crashed. The front camera is also working. Alright. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.